Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga kaji! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong napalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green, Girly, Cutie Patuti Iguana, nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating third day episode natin about kiwis. Ayun po, ito yung kiwi na pinapakain natin kay G kahapon. At syempre, kitang-kita niyo naman po na paborito na talaga ni G natin ang kiwi. And the reason why I wore brown today, and ito pa yung ginamit ko for 3 days. Brown, dahil po gusto ko pong pakita na brown, di ba? Pareho yung kulay ng kiwi at saka yung aking damit. At pagbukas po ng kiwi, ay makikita niyo naman ang kulay ng ating G. That's green. Ayun po, green na green po. At favorite ni G natin ang kiwi, mga masters. At papakainin natin si G ang kanyang favorite fruit. Ito po, here. Here's your favorite fruit. Okay, hatiin muna natin ito para hindi po siya, ang G natin kasi medyo, medyo artistic. Artistic. Here. Ayan yung kumain ngayon ng ating fruit. Or busog po siya. Kasi marami na pong kinain si G natin kahapon. Baka naumay na pong G natin. Alright. So ilalagay muna natin yun dyan. Okay? Alright. So kahapon po ay na-discuss po natin yung dalawang benefits ng kiwi. Siyempre, it's an excellent source of beneficial plant compounds. Number 2 po ay ang kiwi po ay may benefit heart health. And of course, let's proceed to number 3, which is benefits. It benefits digestive health. Okay? Kiwis contain both insoluble and soluble fiber. Soluble and soluble fiber. Okay? So, studies shows that kiwi contain about 1/3 of the soluble and 2/3 insoluble fiber. Okay? The soluble fiber compounds in kiwis may benefit blood sugar. It will benefit, sandali ayusin ko lang po yung aking mesa kasi medyo mababa. Okay? So, the soluble fiber found in kiwis may benefit the blood sugar regulation. So, soluble fiber po yan. And the heart. So, ating sugar and heart ang mabenefit niya and help support healthy gut bacteria. While the insoluble fiber, ayun, kinain na po ni G natin yung kanyang kiwi, found in the fruit can help keep bowel movements regular. So, insoluble, meaning hindi siya matutunaw kaagad-agad, okay, ay makakatulong po sa pag-movement ng ating bowel. Ang soluble niya naman ay nakakatulong po sa heart at sa ating sugar control. Okay? So, the fiber found in kiwis retain water and swell more than other types of fiber. So, nagre-retain po siya ng water, yung fiber niya, at nagsuswell po siya. Okay? Like apple, fiber and yeast bran, which means it's good choice for improving stool chemistry. Pinapaganda niya po ang klase ng poops natin. So, kumbaga, yung consistency ng poops natin pag lumabas po ay hindi po siya ideal na stool consistency po siya. Okay? So, and also decreases the time it takes for food to go through the digestive system. So, it means that pinapadelay niya, decreases the time. So, hindi po siya mabilisan na pagkain natin punta agad sa ating digestive system. Hindi pa. Kasi may mga certain nutrients, may mga certain food groups po na medyo kailangan pa ng enzymes, kailangan po ng mga acids na magtrabaho para po ay magiging successful po, magiging complete po ang digestive process. Okay? Because of these qualities, kiwis may be a good choice for people who have constipation. Ayan po, ang kiwi na ito ay maganda po ito sa mga taong mayroong constipation. At paborito ko itong kiwi. Ayan mga masters. In fact, a study in 79 people, may 79 na tao, with chronic constipation, found that eating 2 kiwis per day, kumain po sila ng 2 kiwi sa isang araw, kada araw, for 4 weeks, 4 na linggo po nilang kinain po yan, tigdadalawa every day for 4 weeks, help improve stool consistency and frequency, and help decrease straining. Hindi na sila mahihirapan mag-iri, di ba? During bowel movement. Also, more participants were satisfied with the kiwi treatment compared with consuming psyllium husk or prunes. Mas masarap pa ang kiwi at na-enjoy po nila kasi kakainin mo lang naman ng kiwi compared sa uminom ka pa ng psyllium husk or prunes. O, diba? The kiwi treatment was also associated with the lowest rate of adverse side effects. Wala pong side effects. Lowest. Kasi natural pala siya. Natural. Wala ka nang ibang gagawin dyan. Kung kainin mo lang po ang ating kiwi for 2 kiwis a day for 4 weeks at na-enjoy po nila yan kasi masarap na, masustansya pa, at easy to prepare pa. Hindi ko na kinuha yung kanyang balat. Diba? So, study shows that eating kiwi can help you reach optimal blood levels. Hindi pa pala. Diba? Grabe talagang kiwi. Lumundag po ako, sorry. Okay? The kiwi treatment also was associated with the lowest rate of adverse side effects. Ganda yung wala po siyang maraming side effects. It's natural. Okay, let's proceed to the number 4, mga masters. Excellent source of vitamin C. Ayun po, sa mga gustong mag-take ng vitamin C, kiwi. Kiwi is the name of the fruit. Kiwis are exceptionally high in vitamin C, a nutrient that helps protect our cells from oxidative damage and plays many important roles in our body. Maraming important role ang vitamin C sa katawan natin, mga masters. Studies show that eating kiwi can help you reach optimal blood levels of vitamin C. Ayun. May certain levels na po ng vitamin C kailangan natin kasi vitamin C is water soluble. Lalabas lang po yan. So pag maraming vitamin C sa katawan mo, lalabas lang yan. Kailangan may specific amount lang po siya. Kasi sayang siya pag nasobrahan. Okay? So sabi nila yung kiwi po ay pag kumakain ka ng kiwi, maaabot mo agad yung maximum level ng vitamin C na requirement ng katawan natin. Okay? A 2012 study in 15 na males na mga lalaki in low vitamin C levels demonstrated that eating 1 kiwi per day for 6 weeks. So yung mga taong mababa yung kanilang vitamin C, mga lalaki, ay kumuha po sila ng 15 na mga lalaki na yan, participants. So mababa ang vitamin C na nalaga nila before mag-start yung kanilang study. So what they did is pinakain po sila ng 1 kiwi per day for 6 weeks. Isang kiwi, 1 kiwi per day, straight for 6 weeks. Okay, so it's gonna be 7 times 6. So it's gonna be 42 pieces of kiwi. Kinain po nila. Okay, so it was enough to reach healthy vitamin C levels. Naging maganda po, naging healthy vitamin C levels po sila. While eating 2 kiwis per day resulted in vitamin C saturation. So pag dalawang kakainin mo, pwede ka magkaroon ng vitamin C saturation. So 1 kiwi a day for 6 weeks ay sapat na pala talaga para maabot na natin o makuha natin yung ideal vitamin C concentration sa ating katawan. Okay? So, or the highest vitamin C levels can reach yung pag maabot mo talaga pag isa-isa lang po. Okay? Other older studies have also found that daily kiwi intake is effective in increasing vitamin C levels in the body. What's more, Older studies suggest that bioavailability of vitamin C found in kiwis is the same as vitamin C supplements, making kiwis an excellent alternative to supplement pills. So instead na uminom po kayo ng vitamin C na pill, kumain lang po kayo ng 1 kiwi a day. 1 kiwi a day is equivalent to 1 vitamin C pill at mas mabisa pa po siya at mabilis po siya na ma-elevate yung vitamin C natin. Okay? Neutrophils are white blood cells ng ating katawan. Okay? The neutrophils that help protect against pathogens and infections. Okay? These cells accumulate high concentrations of vitamin C. So, kailangan po ng neutrophils natin ng vitamin C. So, which is thought to protect these cells and support their functioning. So, vitamin C, importante po sa white blood cells natin. For this reason, eating rich in vitamin C, like kiwi, can help promote optimal immune system or immune function. So, in summary, eating kiwi is an excellent way to increase your consumption of vitamin C, plus many other antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Kiwis may also benefit the health of your heart and the digestion or the digestive system. Ayan po mga masters. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At hanggang dito lang po tayo. Kita-kits pala tayo mamaya 11 o'clock a.m. Philippine time sa ating Bahay Kulitan Premier Marathon. At ako naman po yung host nyo, the one and only Master Worm. Ayan po. Tayo magkantahan na naman at mag-premiere. At salamat na po sa mga in advance, sa mga pupunta. At kantahan po. Open mic po tayo hanggang 4 o'clock p.m. So 5 hours lang po. Huwag kayong pumunta pag 2 minutes na lang po natira. Alright, this is your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!